free trading video, we're going to highlight DIS, Walt Disney Company. Now, obviously, you can see that they've got a squeeze that they were in, and they fired off in the long direction. Now, normally, I would say get all over that. That looks wonderful. But overall, this thing is in a pretty good downtrend, and even though we have a Darvas Box breakout and a squeeze long, I would more play this as a counter trend trade. And then, if it can take out this high of 37.40, then I would get long. So here's how I would play that. I would short this on the open on Monday as long as it's less than the range that it put in on Friday. So if it gaps, if the price action is ever below 37.42, I would short that with a stop around 37.42. My target would be half a gap fill of around 35.50. Now, even though technically it says it's strong and it has a squeeze firing off in the up direction, this is a counter trend trade for these reasons. You can see that this is a downtrend. It has broken the uptrend line, but you're also got a lot of weird price action going on in the indexes. That's how I would play it. And then if I was wrong, obviously I wouldn't be risking much. And if I was wrong, then I would go with it. If it broke above the high of 37.42, then I would shift and reverse, and I would get stopped out of my short, and then I would reverse and go long, and then go with the price action. That's how I would play that. We've got a members-only webinar coming up tomorrow night, Monday night, members only. If you're not a member, go to tradethemarkets.com and do a trial or subscribe to be a full member. Put in your first name, your last name, your email address. I will hyperlink you. Well, you know what? I don't think I can hyperlink you to this form, because if you're a non-member and I hyperlink you to it, you'll be able to get to it for free. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do that. All right, so if you're not a member, I'm going to hyperlink you to this. So in the free video, I'll hyperlink you to John's newsletter, my newsletter, or you can do the combo and do a $5 trial for $14.